Hello YouTube and welcome to another episode in Shorner's gaming channel. Today we are introducing a new segment in our gaming series, moving away from Minecraft, although I still am uploading more episodes as we speak. I would like to introduce a friend of mine, Colonel Grimm. I've known Grimm for about 2 years, and recently we just had a little fight, but we've made up since, and now I wanted to add him to the family of Shorner Gaming because, you know, he's a really good friend of mine. He has quite a few games that I have, and, you know, when we're around, we usually laugh at certain things. And now, Grimm, you do have all your weapons mods turned off, right?
Yes, I do. Every single one.
Okay. You can have character mods and zombies mods. Those are perfectly fine. So
yeah, it's perfectly fine.
All right, let's go ahead and get right into the game. I just want to give a shout out to the emergency bulkhead release button over there. He saved plenty of lives. You know, he deserves a little recognition for the work he does. You know, let's give a shout out to the emergency bulkhead release, everybody. If you don't know where he is, he's located right there behind Ellis. I don't know where that is in the map, but eventually we'll find it.
Apparently, yeah, we'll find that.
Recommended for the first episode is a close quarters weapons.
Okay.
Sounds good. I'll admit there is a trick part in the second mission. There's a trick part where you have to it's like a pattern. You have to figure out which button is right. There are 2 buttons that could drop you from the ceiling, and 1 button that gets the door open. So I usually go for the middle button. Try it. I'll have you try it first, then I'll try it.
Oh, of course. Diapers. That's perfectly fine. Yeah. Okay.
I'll give you
I'll
give you a diaper. Don't worry.
Yeah. I'll probably shit myself throughout the whole way.
What's your percentage loading?
It's around 50.
Damn, I'm done.
Well, very funny.
Yeah. Are you in the game?
Now it's at like 98.
Okay, I'm in the game. I'm in the game.
Yeah, wait for me for a bit. Let me get a good look at the game.
It does not have you in here.
Apparently, it said disconnected, even though I did.
Okay, you can try. You can try joining through. Yeah. Sorry about this, folks. We're gonna have some technical difficulties until Grimm can get it. So until then, please enjoy this nice little video I'm about to present you. Hello YouTube, and while technical difficulties in the video you're viewing are currently being resolved, this is
technical difficulties.
Skype
You're gonna have
call.
to suck my dick.
Damn it, Grimm. Alright, we're sorry for interrupting your viewing. You may now present back to the video. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry about all the technical difficulties in that nice little 10-second video.
Bullshit!
What?
Potatoes!
What?
Duh!
Hey,
fuck this shit! Done, bitches!
Whoa! Get off the boat! Get off the boat!
Fuck the police! I'm coming from underground! They try to get me because
Oh my god!
African American!
Holy crap! This guy's crazy! Dude! Whoa!
Screw this!
Dude, are you okay?
Done! No! No!
Oh my god!
Freaking done! Freaking done! You don't
Let me in! Let me in!
Screw them!
Woo! You seem like you're like...
I'm just gonna stay in a corner and do nothing. Reloading!
You anus. Do something, dude. I'm serious. Oh god. Grimm! Grimm! Stay in the room!
Anus!
Stay in the room! We don't want to die.
No, bitches!
Grimm?
I'm fucking crazy! Damn, bitch! You can deal with that!
Dude, witch! There's a witch! Oh my god!
Let her get fucked!
Yeah. I'm shooting her vagina.
Mayonnaise!
Damn it, Grimm.
What? I helped us. I saved us.
Really?
The world.
You opened the door.
I didn't.
Actually, you let them get
I
through.
opened a world full of beautiful happiness
And blood.
Seriously.
and blood. Yeah.
I think I need to not have this mod.
Are you shitting me?
I'm on my
Are
way.
you shitting me? This is racist.
Watch out, Jockey.
You're going after.
If we see a sword, I want it.
I'm reloading.
Reloading.
On him.
Yeah.
Reloading.
There's a fire axe. Holy shit.
Never get out of the boat. Never get out of the boat.
Oh, did you get ammo?
Get out of the boat.
Oh, here is. What is that?
I have no clue, but it sounds like a woman on period. I don't know. Close enough. It's-
Close enough.
He's tonguing a blue waffle. Hey, there's nothing in there, okay?
Well,
Why are
there
you
could be.
shit? I mean,
Medical pack. Exactly what I needed.
Healing.
I'm just gonna crouch and do completely nothing.
I'm gonna grab this axe
Freaking axe.
right now. Pipe bomb.
Pop out. Gonna throw a pipe bomb. Pipe bomb out.
Allah Akbar!
Allah Akbar! What the fuck, motherfucker? I'm going to eat your
Dude,
anus.
there's guts everywhere.
I know. I'm scared for what's
Reloading.
Kill her. Katana.
sword here.
Turner.
Get the
Katrina! Hurricane Katrina!
what the hell?
I don't know. Let's see random.
Alright, let's go.
Reloading.
Why are they in prison?
I don't know. This is a
Oh,
military
there's a Humvee.
installation.
Can we use that?
I wish we could.
Do you like shooting you, Dave? You've been shooting me quite a lot.
I'm sorry, you just
More than a
managed to
zombie,
get in the
man.
way of my bullets. I can't help that.
Reloading.
Da-da-da-da. Ow! Ow! What's going on?
You just get my bullets. Getting in the way of my bullets, and I wouldn't shoot you.
Giant vagina.
I wouldn't shoot you if you weren't in the way of my bullets.
What I think.
Charge it!
Reloading.
I'm just gonna take a.
Watch out, dude. There's like a... Okay, there's a spitter nearby. Oh no, it's like...
I like spitters better than swallowers.
Tank! Run!
Come here!
God!
Fucking nuts!
Whoa! His head blew off. And we killed him.
Cool. I like those. Ooh, 2 Humvees. We should use those. Oh, a freaking police car. That'd be terrible.
Hey, we've got fire bullets in here.
Grabbing fire bullets.
Why is there a guy in here? Perfectly fine.
Everybody grab some incendiary ammo.
Dude, there's a guy in here.
Cool.
Dude,
Oh my God, Grim!
I will fight like freaking kamikaze!
I was about to say, Grim, you got a little party coming towards you.
okay, but seriously, do you see this
Yeah,
guy?
I noted that. I noted.
We got a boomer.
Asshole, he's not gonna save us.
Well, he's not an actual cop.
He's a shit. I don't give a fuck. He can suck my left nut.
What's so bad about sucking on somebody's left nut? If I have to
Right.
ask.
Safe.
I'm reloading.
Stripper that I'm hiring to use.
Reloading.
It's quite important.
Whoa!
Oh, shit! How did they get here? I thought he was gonna get coach, because, you know, fuck coach.
Okay, here. Ooh.
Something behind it. Never mind. Just
Dude, I'm slicing these guys' arms off.
I know.
It's like... Oh, there's a thing in here.
Got some chest battle.
Oh.
Actually, yeah. I'll just...
Oh, boomer. Jockey!
Well, something the opposite of a boomer, but okay.
McSancho is in here.
Oh. Ah! Dude, you're gonna get fucked. Dude, you're gonna get fucked.
I got a katana. I'm fine.
I will save you! I'm your savior!
Hey,
I'm your
Can
princess!
you watch
I'm in
me
another
while
castle.
while I add Sancho to the call?
Okay. I'm actually getting raped, but close enough.
I'm eating steak.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. That was insane. What? Whoa, whoa, what's with the disconnection?
Call it more inane.
Really? I'm getting... Guys, what the hell?
What?
I'm getting a retry connection to the server.
We're not.
It sucks for you.
I'll rejoin. Do not start the mission without me.
Alright, let's start the movie with that. Let's go.
Really, dude?
No, dude. Even though I keep everything in the opposite.
Is this
Oh
being
my
recorded?
God. No, it's not.
Get that end.
Stella Luna, I love you.
Of course.
Emma, I love you
Oh
too,
my
Emma.
God.
I love you too, small Emma. The small.
I have the sniper rifle, you don't. Ha ha